Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Tina and welcome to Colorado channel. Okay, everybody knows that seamless digital printer actually already existed in the market for over 10 years. And in the last 10 years, we have seen that the technology improved from the flat scanning printing mode into the rotary, the spiral printing mode. And what's the coming out in the recent years of the new developed technology? What kind of the technology has been improved? Okay, today I will show you Colorado, the new upgraded sock printer with the positioning visual system. Okay, now we're set up with this 4 rollers printer, and first step will be always wrap this paper on top side of this roller. But why you need to cover this paper on the roller? That is 2 points. So first point, that this surface of the paper could absorb part of the ink. Once you print, some of the ink just leaking underneath of the fiber of the sock. So once it's leak on this paper, and it will be absorbed. So this is the first function of this paper. It can protect the opening of the sock. Once you put it out, ensure that no ink will be stained at the top side of the sock opening, like here. Okay, this is the first point. And second point will be protect this roller. Ensure that no color stained on the surface of the roller. Okay, now it's set up. Let's load up this sock. Okay, next step is load up this sock to the roller. Okay, so today we load up the different socks. Have you found any difference? Compare with before, that the sock which we load up are always the black hue and tone. The black hue and tone. But today we're loading the colorful part of the hue and the tone part. So that is the big difference. So later we will not print all over printed with the design, but it will skip over the shape of this color part and also this part as well. So how can this be happened? Good question. Let's find it out. Okay, next step, we're gonna choose any artwork we like to be printed. So get this artwork and input to our printing software. So now you're seeing that this load up ready socks is ready for printing. And on top side of this sock, you can see the camera. So this camera will capture the image of the shape of this color part, whatever the shape is. And later it just skip over. So wherever this color is located on the body of the sock, it will be recognized later. So here, this part, and even this thinner line of this blue color will be recognized and will not be printed later. Okay, now printing start. It prints so fast, right? So normally this printing speed could be adjusted according to how familiar of this operator will be. And now one is done. And let's check it out. If this part was to be printed or not. Okay, now you can see my gloves. It is neat and clean, right? Okay, let me touch this part. So anything stained of the color? Anyone guess? Okay, let's see. It's still neat and clean, right? It's still neat and clean. Yeah, that means that this part, it didn't being printed. And also this part, let's see. Okay, and you can find this edge, white color part, and this colored part of the blue color. It is even no seam of the printing edge, right? And even here, and even this line. You see, it is overprinted even, but this line, the thinner blue color line, was not printed yet. Okay, now we can try any color you like. So now we are trying this yellow color, okay? Let's see. Here we go. Let's see how it looks on the color part of the yellow, even the light color, if the camera can recognize the light color of yellow part. So let's check it out if there are any seams at the edge of this color part and with the printed part. Here we can see. Oh my god, even perfect. Almost perfect, right? It's no seams at all, no blank, no white color to be blanket. Here. Okay. It looks good. Okay, someone might doubt that, okay, that will be easy for you. Only the heel part and the toe part was colored. Any other shape, you can do that or not? Okay, let's try this one. It was jacquard with the bottom of the feet in patterns, right? It has the stripes. Okay, let's check it out, how it works. Okay, and now it was loaded up. So later, our camera will recognize this part of the black color, but in this thinner line of the white color blank, it will be fulfilled. Let's check it out. And now you can see the final outlook is coming out, and you can see how amazing it looks. And even the thinner stripes here of the blank color in white, it was fulfilled. Okay, after printing, we're hanging here and waiting for the next step. So for all the polyester socks, the next step will be heating, and heating will need around 3 to 4 minutes. After that, the whole process will be completed. So what is the final outlook? Let's see. Okay, now finally, we are getting what we want. So multiple color option choice with the colorful heel and toe part with the visual positioning system. Well, compared with this traditional digital printing technology, you only can print for the heel and toe part in the black. So now you have multiple alternative options, and you can expand the products in the market with the multiple color of the heel and toe. So are you ready? And consult us. We can give you the detailed suggestion. Okay, any printing solution, just contact us. Nimble Colorado. See you next time.